10 powerful ways to streamline your accounting process with Excel to Tally integration. Get free trial of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com. Get free trial of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com. Managing your finances as a business owner may be a time-consuming and difficult endeavor. It might take hours to guarantee that your records are correct and up to date, from documenting transactions to preparing financial statements. However, with the right tools and techniques, you can streamline your accounting process and ultimately save time and money. Integrating Excel and Tally is a fantastic approach to streamlining your accounting process. Tally is a popular accounting program used by many firms, and Excel is a strong tool for managing data and creating customized reports. By combining these two technologies, you may streamline your accounting process and decrease mistakes, allowing you to make more educated financial decisions. This is useful if you need to undertake more financial data analysis, develop custom reports, or visualize your data in charts and graphs. Tally's export tool allows you to export data in a variety of forms, including Excel, CSV, and HTML. Data input is one of the most time-consuming components of accounting. However, you can automate data entry and save time by integrating Excel and Tally. You may, for example, develop an Excel template with predefined fields that correspond to your Tally ledger accounts. This can include information about customers and vendors, transaction kinds, and account numbers. You may use your template to swiftly enter data into Tally, decreasing the chance of mistakes and saving time. Excel is an advanced program with a plethora of formulae and functions that may assist you in automating your accounting process. To compute the total amount of a transaction, for example, use Excel's sum function or the average function to get the average value of a set of transactions. Excel's if function may also be used to make conditional statements depending on certain criteria. You may automate repetitive operations and limit the possibility of mistakes by utilizing these formulae and functions. Tally provides a variety of basic reports to assist you in managing your finances, such as balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. However, by integrating Excel, you can create customized reports that are tailored to your specific requirements. You may, for example, construct a report that displays your monthly sales by product, area, or client. You may also build charts and graphs to visually represent your financial data, making it easier to analyze and comprehend. Pivot tables are a useful Excel tool for summarizing and analyzing massive volumes of data. You may easily construct summaries of your financial data, such as sales, costs, and profits, using pivot tables. Pivot tables may also be used to analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and make sound financial decisions. You may save time and obtain insights into your financial data by utilizing pivot tables. Excel macros are short programs that help to automate repetitive processes in Excel. For example, you might write a macro that updates your financial data in Tally whenever you make a change in your Excel spreadsheet. Macros may also be used to carry out advanced calculations, produce reports, and carry out other operations. You may improve your accounting process and save time and effort by using macros. Accurate data is required for efficient accounting. However, mistakes are common, especially when dealing with enormous volumes of data. It is critical to utilize correct data validation procedures, such as drop-down lists, restricting input ranges, and defining data entry criteria to ensure data accuracy. By automating data entry, utilizing formulae and functions, and giving customized reports that may be used to discover mistakes and anomalies, Excel and Tally integration can also assist assure data accuracy. One of the most important parts of financial management is cash flow. With the connection of Excel and Tally, you can simply monitor your cash flow and make smart financial decisions. Tally, for example, may be used to record cash transactions, and Excel to generate a cash flow statement that displays your cash inflows and outflows over time. You can guarantee that you have enough cash on hand to satisfy your financial responsibilities and make smart investments by monitoring your cash flow. The practice of comparing your financial records to your bank statements to ensure that they match is known as reconciliation. This can be a time-consuming operation, particularly if you have a large number of transactions to reconcile. However, you can automate the reconciliation process and save time by integrating Excel and Tally. For example, you may download your bank transactions into Excel and then reconcile them with your financial records using Tally. By automating the reconciliation process, you may limit the risk of mistakes and guarantee that your financial records are correct and up to date. Finally, combining Excel with Tally may be a fantastic approach to optimize your accounting process while saving time and effort. You can verify data quality, monitor cash flow, automate reconciliation, and make educated financial choices by using these 10 strong techniques to optimize your accounting process using Excel to Tally connectivity. You may simplify your accounting process and focus on developing your business by using the correct tools and practices. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.